This is what remained of the Grade 1 to Grade 5 classrooms, the ripped-off iron sheet roofing, evidence of the magnitude of the accident which was caused by the heavy downpour over the weekend. And morning, this is what learners had to contend with, having lessons under a tree.
Ililazimu wazazi pamoja na jamii ya Mukangu kuambia wanafunzi ambao waliadhirika wakae nyumbani kwao.
Hata saa hii vile tuko hivi, watoto wako chini ya muti. Wanajaribu kusoma kutokea asubuhi kufika saa 5 wameenda nyumbani kwa sababu hali ya mazingira.
According to Alice Hayemba, a majority of the 248 learners at the school will be affected by the damage caused by the weekend incident. No injuries were, however, reported. Area residents have now asked the government to ensure the construction of durable classrooms to serve the large number of learners. Jasmine Omboi, K24 News Cut.